Here is our flat, totally demolished. Here we're walking into the lounge now, and what we're looking at over there is going to be our TV lounge area. This is where we're going to be putting a sofa and TV over there, and then straight to the other side, which is going to be our dining room study area. That's a bike that was left over that we've decided to keep, and this is the wall that's been knocked down to make our open kitchen. Ta-da! Looks really big now, doesn't it? Not really decided what we're doing with the kitchen yet, but soon. Here is the Jermaine's room. Used to be the old kitchen. It's going to be nice and cozy for Jermaine. And then here is bedroom number 1, all demolished. See, floor. This is the balcony. Bit of rubble, and the view from our balconies. You can see a bit of mountain over there. Here is the other bedroom. Another balcony view. And then I'm going to walk out the door to go up to our rooftop, which has just received the first layer of waterproofing. Can't walk on it yet because it's got a layer of water on the top. They're just testing out the waterproofing. And here is a little view of our rooftop, on our rooftop. And that's our flat so far.